All right, so we're here on the SEMA show floor with Chris White from KECO Body Repair. How are you doing today, Chris?
Max, I'm doing good. It's been a great show. It's really great to see so many people coming out, seeing what's new in collision. So, man, we had a educational presentation today on our system on glue pull repair at Repair Driven Education, and it was really a lot of fun.
That's fantastic. Yeah, yeah. The booth is really popping off right now. There's a lot of people around. So, speaking of that, could you tell me a little bit about what's new this year? What you got showing off specifically?
Yeah, well, so our primary focus is selling glue pull repair systems to collision shops. It's the least invasive, best quality way to fix a dent. It's applicable for aluminum panels, steel panels, high strength steel panels. Certainly, we can do a glue pull repair on EVs that are still powered, right? And EV repair is really a concern today because most of the OEMs are saying that you can't put heat on them, right? So anyway, and particularly aluminum is a very tough material to repair, and with the nature of our system and the surface area and the metal flow that we create with the tabs and the lifters and the knockdowns, we're able to efficiently move that metal.
Fantastic. Okay, so maybe just looking forward to this show. How's it been coming back? It's been a long road getting back to SEMA. How's it feel to be back on the floor?
It feels good. That's one of the things that is exciting for us is just being with our customers, with our technicians. We really enjoy the fact that technicians, they get excited about fixing cars because they're mostly car guys, right? And they have a passion for that. And so at KECO, we say, look, your passion fuels our passion, right? Our passion is to make tools to make their jobs easier. So, yeah. So.
Okay, and you mentioned a little bit about sort of the advancements in working with EVs and all that, but maybe just generally speaking, looking forward to the new year. What's going to be the big push for this year? What's Kiko got in store?
I would say we've um, need to just continue the path that we've already been on. We're making an impact, selling a lot of our systems to collision shops, but there's a lot that still don't know. We got to keep telling the story, consistently. I would say that, we're making a lot of progress in the States, but this year for me in 22 was, the start of really an international journey and creating an international brand. And so for 23, well, 22, I've been in 11 different countries, singing the praises of what's possible with glue pull repair. And so 23, I will probably be in 15 countries. So there's going to be a lot more global efforts for KECO and creating that international brand, changing how collision repair is done. So, yeah.
That's fantastic. I appreciate it, Chris. Looking forward to it.
All right.
Take care.
Yep. Thanks.